Ukugcwala ngokweqile kwabafundi emagunjini okufundela eMpumalanga kuseyinkinga enkulu. Abanye abazali abaneme ngokubuyela ngokugcwele ezikoleni kwabafundi njengoba ezinye izikole zacekelwa phansi isichotho nyakenye.
If they all come to school, it is easy for us to continue with the curriculum as it should according to the ATPs.
Umnyango uthi uziqaphele lezi inselele.
We do have a challenge with regard to overcrowding, but that is being addressed by taking learners to areas of low concentration where there is space. But over and above that, we have procured mobile classrooms.
eBloemfontein zonke izikole bese zikulungele ukwemukela bonke abafundi ubafunde namhlanje. Uthishanhloko uthi kuyaqhubeka nokugonywa kwabafundi.
All learners who are 12 years and over, they've been vaccinated, and around about 200 of them have been vaccinated, and we held a meeting with parents to give consent for learners to be vaccinated, and all teachers have been vaccinated.
eNorthern Cape leminyaka emibili eyedlule ibenzima kakhulu kubafundi baka matric bakujabulele kakhulu ukubuyela esikoleni insuku zonke.
My experience hasn't been so well because of most of the times most of the chapters that we would do in class I wouldn't understand because of we are so behind with our lessons.
eLimpopo ijele gaya ngomunye umhlathi njengoba abafundi basesikoleni iAkaville bezophoqeka ukuba baqhubeke nokufunda ngokushintshana. Lokwenzeka njengoba lesi sikole singenawo amagumbi asesimweni esifanele okufundela. Umnyango wemfundo wethembise ukuthi uzoletha amagumbi angomahamba nendlwana.
The school used to occupy buildings on privately owned land. However, we were given notice by the owner as a department to vacate the land.
Umnyango wemfundo uthi khambe kahle ukubuyela ngokugcwele ezikoleni eziningi. Zibalelwa ku-95 wamaphesenti izikole ezikwazile ukuhlangabezana nalomyalelo.
We understand that those schools that are experiencing these challenges will have to try and make those plans and finalize them before Friday so that by next week things are back to normal.
Umnyango wemfundo unikeze izikole kuze kube uLwesihlanu ukuthi ziphothule amalungiselelo okwemukela bonke abafundi ngokugcwele ezikoleni.